Ladies and gentlemen, I am Usha Prabha Nayak, and on behalf of Sangeeta Bharati Foundation, Mangalore, I welcome all of you to Malhar Sandhya. Joy, sorrow, tears, lamentation, laughter, for all these music gives voice, but in such a way that we are transported from the world of unrest to a world of peace and see a reality in a new way, as if we were sitting by a mountain lake and contemplating hills and woods and clouds in the tranquil and fathomless water. Season plays an important role in Hindustani classical music. Malhar, the legendary family of ragas, brings out the feel of monsoon and makes us realize the power of torrential rains. This evening, we shall have two concerts. First, a vocal rendition by Vidushi Neela Bhagwat, and then a Sarangi Sitar Jugalbandi by Sri Sarwar Hussain and Sri Ankush N. Nayak. These concerts will take us to the virtual journey of rains, rains, and rains. From within or from behind, a light shines through us upon things and makes us aware that we are nothing, but the light is all. So let us begin this evening by lighting the lamp. May I request Sri Sujir Prabhakar, Deputy General Manager, Syndicate Bank, Mrs. Sujir Prabhakar, Dr. Shripati Rao, Principal, Expert Pre-University Science College, Dr. Suryakant Pai, MDS, Mr. Emmanuel Amarna, AGM Syndicate Bank, to come on to the dais and inaugurate Malhar Sandhya. May I request Shri Rafiq Khan, President of Sangeeta Bharati, to kindly escort these dignitaries to the dais. Perhaps the inner light will shine forth from us, and then we will need no other light. Light is metaphor, light is knowledge, light is life, and light is light. I thank all the dignitaries for inaugurating this function. Ladies and gentlemen, this program is co-sponsored by Syndicate Bank. May I request Shri Sujir Prabhakar, Deputy General Manager of Syndicate Bank, to speak few words of inspiration.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I don't want to stand before you and the musicians over here. I'll just cut short my speech just by saying that music is divine. There is divinity in music, and whenever we listen to the music, all our tensions, all our stress just vanishes. That's the reason why in Kali Yuga, Narada said, to reach the Almighty, you have to go through the path of music. So Kali Yuga has got a special connotation that through music you reach the God. Whereas in other yugas, you have to do yajna, you have to do tapas. But this is the shortcut suggested by Narada, because as the master of ceremony rightly put it, Malhar Sandhya. Each music denotes something. Some music brings rain, some music brings all types of happiness. and it is scientifically also proved that music definitely brings a lot of change not only in human beings but also in animals and plant life. This has been experimented in Germany, and they found in a dairy when the music was played, the cows started yielding more milk. So also in farms, whenever they played music, the plants yield went up substantially. I must congratulate Mr. Ustad Rafiq Khan Saab for having organized this beautiful evening through Sangeet Bharati, and also I must compliment and congratulate Narendra Naik and his spouse Usha Naik. Not only that, this family is a family of musicians. His son is going to give us a performance this evening, which I am very eager to listen. And I also express my gratitude to the great artists who are going to assemble here, because I call them honorable guests because they bring honor, divinity, and happiness in our minds. With these few words, I thank once again Sangeet Bharati for giving me an opportunity not only to light the lamp, but also to address you for 1 or 2 minutes. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Music cleanses the understanding, inspires it, and lifts it into a realm which it would not reach if it were left to itself. Without further ado, let us welcome today's artist of first part of today's evening. So please welcome with a huge round of applause Vidushi Neela Bhagwat. Accompanying Vidushi Neela Bhagwat. Accompanying her on harmonium, Shri Narendra L. Nayak. On tabla, Shri Devdutt Prabhu. On tanpura, Master Nakiran Nayak. Srimati Neela Bhagwat is recognized as one of the most authentic voices of Hindustani music and has established herself as a leading exponent of a Gwalior style of singing under the able guidance of her gurus like Pandit Sharat Chandra Arolkar and Pandit Jal Balporia. Gwalior Gharana specializes not only in the Khyal form but also in other related forms like the Tumri, the Tappa, the Ashtapadi, the Tharana and the Khayal Numa. She has also taken guidance from Shri G.T. Tilak of Jaipur style. The trauma of communal riots in 1992 was the motivating factor for Neela Bhagwat ji to enter into the singing of Kabir bhajans. Many classical singers have sung Kabir bhajans before, but in Neela ji's hands they do not remain mere bhajans. Instead, they turn into composition invested with a new meaning, a vehicle for conveying eternally relevant ideas. It is an ability to portray the emotion of Kabir's poem with the unusual fervor and intensity which has enthralled audience all over India as well as Europe. Her educational qualification includes MA in Marathi, MA in Sanskrit, and MA in Sociology from University of Bombay. Neela ji has also taken training in Kathak style dancing under Guru Lachu Maharaj. She has played the main role in Suno Janante Jaya, directed by Pandit Satyadev Dubey. Neelaji has translated the Encyclopedia of Social Work in India from English to Marathi and has also published a book of poems in Marathi called Tihai. She has been performing since 1979 with concerts in Mumbai, Pune, Ahmedabad, Kolkata, Chennai, Bangalore, Trivandrum, Delhi, Hyderabad, Jaipur, Gwalior, Bhopal and other cities of India. Neelaji has worked and presented Samantar, a comparative program of Hindustani and Carnatic music in collaboration with the Carnatic singer Vidushi Aruna Sairam. She has given regular performance in All India Radio, Doordarshan and other television channels. She has sung for several films and her songs have won national and international awards. Neelaji has worked on the script and music scores for audio-visual programs as well. She is a recipient of a fellowship of a Ministry of Human Resource and Development, Government of India. Neelaji has been given concert tours to Europe, UK and extensively toured for all over abroad. Please welcome Srimati Neela Bhagwat. Accompanying her on harmonium, Shri Narendra L. Nayak. Shri Narendra Nayak, professionally an educationalist, hails from Mangalore. During his childhood, he was inspired into music by his father, late Shri Lakshminarayan Nayak. This academically brilliant mechanical engineer developed more interest in music with respect to time from his childhood. He is a disciple of great harmonium maestro Pandit Vasant Kankapur from Dharwad. Regular practice on harmonium under the guidance of Ustad Rafiq Khan made Nayak ji to acquire more knowledge in Hindustani classical music. He has accompanied many well-known musicians like Pandit Jaitirth Mewandi, Pandit Shaunak Abhisheki, Pandit Kaivalya Kumar Gurau, Pandit Venkatesh Kumar, Pandit Basavaraj Gonal and Pandit Balchandra Nakod among others. He has also performed solo on various occasions. He has performed in many music festivals throughout the country, including those in Mumbai, Goa, Raipur, Amritsar, New Delhi, Bangalore, Dharwad and Meerut. He is a graded artist of All India Radio and Doordarshan and is a regular face on television. Nayak ji is also chairman of expert group of institutions. Please welcome Shri Narendra L. Nayak. Accompanying on tabla, Shri Devdutt Prabhu. Shri Devdutt Prabhu is a disciple of Pandit Omkar Nath Gulwadi from Mumbai and late Shri Maruti Kurdikar of Goa Kala Academy. He has completed a senior and Vidvat grade in tabla by securing first rank in the state. He is also graded artist of All India Radio. Among the noted artists whom he has accompanied on tabla are late Padma Vibhushan Dr. Gangubai Hangal, Srimati Kausalya Manjeshwar, Pandit Madhav Gudi, Pandit Jaitirth Mewandi, Shri Ram Rao Nayak, Shri Somnath Mardur, Shri Maunesh Kumar Chawni and Srimati Prachala Amonkar. He has also accompanied instrumentalists like Pandit Arvind Parekh, Pandit Venkatesh Gudkindi, Shri V.G. Karnad, Shri Rafiq Khan, Shri Praveen Gudkindi and Shri Jayant Kumar Das. Devdutt has also played for music scores for several Malayalam films and commercial recordings. Please welcome Shri Devdutt Prabhu. May I request Shri Sujir Prabhakar, DGM of Syndicate Bank, to felicitate today's artist. Thank you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, Music is your own experience, your thoughts, your wisdom. When music comes from one's intellect, it gets refined into something more than just music. It becomes revelation. It becomes life. Let us listen to such an intellectual music from Vidushi Neelaji. With this, I hand over the stage to the artist. Thank you.
Thank you so much. It's wonderful to be here in this city. This is the first time I'm visiting Mangalore. Heard a lot about it, of course. It's nice to know that such artists with affection for music, arts and life, all these things are there to accompany me. It's wonderful to meet them. This is the first time we are on the stage together, but I'm sure it would be as if it's a long attachment and kind of involvement in music. I'm also very happy to have this young Tanpura player who is, when he is in the standard 10th, he has time to spare to listen to music, learn music and take interest in it. It's very rare these days to meet young people with involvement in the roots, and I'm really happy about that. So, and also perhaps in Bombay one gets more dissipated, takes more interests in the media and the Bollywood culture, whereas here the roots are still strong, and that's a great thing about cities like Mangalore. Big cities like Bombay, they somehow rob people of their roots to a large extent. And then we musicians have to keep talking about, oh, our roots, they are respected all over the world. We must live with them and inculcate them. So I'm really happy to meet this young boy. I'm going to begin with Miyake Malhar, and this composition is a very old composition in which there is a beautiful blending of Bhakti and Sufi philosophy. They both have the same thing to say. They both, Sufi and Bhakti both say, love people. Think of relieving people of pain and suffering. And that is what Allah does. So Ishwar and Allah both do the same. And that is what the Bandish says, Karim Naam Tero Tu Sahib Sattar. The second Bandish is a composition by my Guruji Arolkar Bua. And then we always have, the Gwalior singers always have taranas in most of the ragas. So I'll begin with Karim Naam Tero. Te